that terrorist normally means generally to terrorize an innocent human being. In this context, no Muslim should ever be a terrorist. We Muslims should only terrorize the antisocial element, the rapist, the robber, those who create fasad. And the Quran says that in Surah Anfal, chapter number 8, verse number 60, prepare your steed of horse and terrorize the hearts of the antisocial element. So when I became popular in UK, and when the Labour Party lost and the Conservative came to power in 2010, 2009 was the last time I visited UK to give a talk. I've been to UK several times. So in 2010, I was supposed to give many talks in Wembley Arena and various places, all packed full. So before I land, because I had a 5-year visa, so I didn't have to take a new visa. But before I could land into UK, when the Labour Party lost and the Conservative came, Theresa May was the Home Secretary. She says, who is the most famous Muslim preacher in UK? So she asked the Home Office and the reply came, Dr. Zakir Naik. And they said, Zakir Naik is supposed to come after a couple of weeks. Don't allow him. I said, what basis can we stop you? Already we issued him a visa. 5 years multiple visa already issued. She told the counter-terrorism department that try and find something wrong in his speech in which he's broken the UK law so we can exclude him. We can prevent him from coming. They scanned all my videos, they could not find anything. Nothing. In fact, in 2009, the head of the counter-terrorism department, Charles Farr, he sent a person to meet me and he told me, you know, Dr. Zakir Naik, this was when the Labour Party was in, where the Labour Party was ruling. Dr. Zakir, we know you're very popular amongst the Muslims. Can you help us to guide some Muslims who have gone astray? I said, I have no problem. I'm there to help humanity. I don't mind helping you under two conditions. That you should not ask me to do anything which is against the glorious Quran or the authentic hadith of the Prophet, and I don't want your money because UK has a big budget to buy Muslims. They pay money and they buy you over and they make you think which are against Islam. So I knew about it. I said, as long as you don't ask me to do anything against Quran and Sunnah, I have no problem, I can help you. I don't require money also, so don't try and attract me. And we were in coordination. But after about 7-8 months when the government changes, now Theresa May, who at that time was the Home Secretary, later on becomes the Prime Minister, she wants to exclude me. Then she sends the people from UK, counter-terrorism department, to meet CIA outside. Check with them whether you can get some proof against Dr. Zakir Naik. MashaAllah, I'm on the list of CIA, FBI, UK department. Alhamdulillah. I'm on the list of those people, inshallah, who will not go to Jannah. You will not find them in Jannah. If you don't follow Quran, you will meet them in Jahannam. So they said, we don't have any proof. Yet exclude. They said, if you exclude Dr. Zakir Naik, if he goes to court, we will lose. I will handle the court. So in 2010, they exclude me. I'm supposed to go for a lecture tour. And why I'm telling you this, I'll tell you. They exclude me. And before I could leave my country, they sent an official letter through the High Commission to the UK to tell me that I'm excluded for 3 years. And they give the reason. One of the reasons is, Dr. Zakir Naik says, every Muslim should be a terrorist. So I'm giving you the context. What they do, they quote out of, they didn't give the full sentence. Dr. Zakir Naik says, you cannot terrorize any innocent human being. Oh, Dr. Zakir Naik says, every Muslim be terrorist. So he's promoting terrorism. So mashallah, we hire the best of lawyers, one of my fans. And my lawyers told me, Dr. Zakir Naik, 99.9% you win the case. They have no evidence. My friend who funded, who paid £1 million, £1 million. We fought the case to the Supreme Court, to the Court of Appeal, and then went to the European Court. He told 95% will lose. This government, they are not just. But yet we'll show them. I was the only Muslim who went to the Supreme Court up to Hague, the European Court of Justice. We did the case, and my friend was right. We lost the case, but we won the battle. Our pitch TV continued. They did not go ahead. So the strategy.